Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Tech Tink Trunks channel where we're going to tinker and learn. Today, we're going to talk about the ins and outs of AirDrop. According to Wikipedia, AirDrop is a proprietary ad hoc service in Apple Inc.'s iOS and Mac OS operating systems. Introduced in Mac OS X Lion, or if you prefer to call it Mac OS X 10.7 and iOS 7, and this can transfer files among supported Macintosh computers and iOS devices by means of close-range wireless communication. How does it work? Well, it uses TLS encryption over direct Apple-created peer-to-peer Wi-Fi connection for transferring files. The Wi-Fi radios of the source and target devices communicate directly without using an internet connection or Wi-Fi access point. So if you want to locate AirDrop, it's in your general settings screen. As you see, it's the third item down. On iOS 7 and later, AirDrop can be accessed by either tapping on Settings, General, AirDrop, or via Control Center. Both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are automatically switched on when AirDrop is enabled, as they are both utilized. Now, the current setting that I have it to is everyone is able to send AirDrops to the phone. Options for controlling AirDrop discovery by other devices include no one can see the device, or if you prefer to call it AirDrop disabled, only contacts can see the device, or everyone can see the device. And you will find that the most secure setting is that if you turn discovery off, it prevents anybody from sending AirDrops to you. That's the most securest of settings. Now, people are wilding out on this AirDrop in the news, and we could discuss that a little bit. What's happening here is like 3 weeks ago, there was panic on the plane after images were airdropped to passengers. They were airdropping threats. So in Atlanta, passengers on the airplanes have been receiving threats on their phones while they are sitting on the plane. It has happened at several airports across the country, including here in Atlanta. It has caused panic and major disruptions. And there was a message that was airdropped to passengers aboard Delta Flight 921 from Atlanta to Seattle last month, which caused panic and fear. It read, a plane jacking will happen soon, 2 hours and 37 minutes, and it will start at the front of aisle 6. Imagine sitting on a plane and receiving that message would be a pretty alarming experience. So as you imagine, there was a whole lot of riffraff. Um, the feds had to come on the plane with the canines, basically, and they had to evacuate the plane, 10 people at a time, put your bags down. They would come check the bags with the dog and all that stuff. It was a real mess. I can imagine that's a real inconvenience to your whole travel situation if you're involved in something like this. So the thing is, it's not just this, but there's other things too, like people sending uninvited sexual images to the AirDrop, and that's not appropriate. And the thing about it is that it's not a traceable technology. Like, it's not like you log onto a website and your details, like your IP address and your ISP, are like listed with a date and time in which you access the site and a log. Nah, there's no logs to the system. It's basically the wild wild west, which is a shame. It's great technology and it comes handy for certain things, but if you receive uninvited data, it could be a threat to security. During the initial handshake, devices exchange full SHA 256 hashes of user phone numbers and email addresses, which might be used by attackers to infer phone numbers and in some cases email addresses to themselves. So there's a lot of what you call it, malicious intent possibilities here. Files are not automatically accepted, thus receiver user must accept the transfer. This is done to improve security and privacy. So that's really it in a nutshell, ladies and gentlemen. That's what I have to say about this topic and everything else. So thank you for watching this video, ladies and gentlemen. If you are not already subscribed to this channel, subscribe to Tech Tinktronics and check it out. You know, new videos will be added as I can. I haven't been doing anything lately, but that's all. But once again, thanks for watching. If you benefited from the video, hit the like button, help the algorithm. If you are not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. And feel free to send a comment, share what your thoughts are about this. And thanks for watching. And don't forget to visit all my links to support the channel.